What are you guys doing in here? Get down, Quincy. Lexi's going. Lexi's not sure about the house. Yeah, hey, Quincy. Oh, careful. Oh, Quincy, get down. Get down, baby. Don't jump on me. Uh-oh, here comes the rest. Uh-oh. We're gonna have a house full of goats in a minute. It's a rainy day. Nobody wants to be outside. Shoot. Uh-oh. No, Lex. Lexi. Lexi, away from the cords. No. Guys. I don't think you guys are supposed to be in here. No. Zach is like, what the heck? The house has gone to the goats. Hi, Mace. Hi, Macy. Okay, guys. I think we need to go back outside. Don't chew my shirt. Don't chew my shirt. And where is Penny? Everybody's looking around. And where is Penny? Elliot's outside. Penny, where are you? Oh, Penny's under the table. She's hiding. Is everybody coming in looking for cookies? I can get you cookies. Yes. Hey, Lex. Hi, pretty girl. Yes. What do you guys think? Hey, don't touch my cords, Lexi, no. Are you going back out, Ziggy? Going back out in the rain? All right, how about we get you guys a cookie and then you can go back outside. Go, let's go back outside. Oh, somebody's jumping on my back. Let me guess, Quincy? Quincy's our only one that actually jumps on you. Oh, Elliot, yes, I got you a cookie too. A cookie for Elliot. Let's go outside, guys. Oh. Easy. Easy, one cookie each. One cookie each. Macy, Penny. Good guys. Hey. Penny's back in the house. No, you guys all stay outside now, okay? No. It stopped raining, yes. It stopped raining. Get down, Quincy, get down. Hi, you two. Did you like your cookie? It stopped raining now. Where's Pix? Pixie's in the barnyard. Stop, Quincy, don't chew on my stuff. And there's pretty Lexi. And of course, annoying Quincy. Quincy, you can be so annoying. And then where do we find Penny? In the house. Yeah. Guys? Quincy, get down. Get down, baby. Don't be mean. I have no more cookies, Quincy. Move on. No more cookies. It's rainy, but it's really nice out here. It's very mild. Hi, Pixie. Quincy, stop chewing my sweater. Stop. Look at you, got my pants all dirty. Jumping on me with your dirty feet.